Hi, I'm Christina and this is Tomes and Tequila. I'm still not feeling like myself today, so I figured that instead of making a video with me just sitting here talking to you, I would show you some of my to-read list. So I have been blogging about books for about 2 years now, and was an avid reader before that. I've been an avid reader for years, and I've partnered with Book Sparks for about a year now, since their summer reading program last year, and so they send me books. I also get books from NetGalley, but all of those are on my Kindle. And I also get some books from authors and stuff to review. So I have quite the selection of to-reads that I'm behind on. So I figured that for fun, I would show you guys what my shelf of to-reads looks like here in my office. So stay tuned, and I will try and put some footage of my bookshelves in here. It's probably shaky and all that, but here you go. So that is my to-read list. If you found that entertaining in any way, along with my Funko Pop toys of Jamie and Claire from Outlander, and of course Audrey from Breakfast at Tiffany's, along with Michael Fassbender's character from Assassin's Creed. And then Queenie, my favorite character in Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Him. So there you go. Those are my books, and I need to read all of those. And I even got rid of a few books recently that I figured that I would never get to. So there you go. So give me a thumbs up if you thought that was entertaining in any way, shape, or form. And if you haven't subscribed before, please hit that red button, and I don't know, let me know if you have any of those books on your to-read list also, or if you've read any of them and they were good, so that I can put them a little higher on my list. Okay? Have a good day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.